Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to enable the firewall in Windows to protect your system. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tutorials. Let's dive in. First, click the Start menu and open Settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Windows Security and then select Firewall and Network Protection. Here you will see three types of networks: domain network, private network, public network. Click on each of them one by one. Inside each network, you will see an option to turn on. Click the switch to enable it for each network type. You can see that I already turned on all of them. Once done, your firewall is now enabled and protecting your system across all network types. Remember, keeping your firewall enabled is essential for protecting your system from unauthorized access and potential threats. And that's how you can enable firewall in Windows. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. See you next time.